the state general election, which under the state constitution when members of my government and I were appointed, we made the solemn oath to preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the State of Sarawak and the Federal Constitution. Had the emergency not been proclaimed, the Dewan Undangan Negeri would have been dissolved by the 7th of June 2021 as required by the Constitution of the State of Sarawak, and my government would no longer have the people's mandate, which was given in 2016 to govern. The GPS government feels that it would be a betrayal to that oath if the GPS government were to hang on to power under the veil of a state of emergency, whereas the people's mandate to govern had expired. Because what is important is we want to recover from our pandemic. So once we got the mandate, then we can start our policy implementation.